One additional feature in Razor is that you can place a file called viewstart.cshtml inside of your views folder, and then any code that is inside of viewstart.cshtml will execute before any view renders. Typically, what we'll put inside of a view start is code to set the layout page for all of the views in an application. That way we don't have to set the layout page inside of each specific view. This behavior is hierarchical, meaning you can have a viewstart.cshtml in the views folder and then put individual viewstart files inside of the home folder or the shared folder, and those subfolders would override whatever that parent viewstart does. Inside of Visual Studio, you can see in the Solution Explorer window that I already have a viewstart.cshtml file. Inside of here is a single line of code that is specifying the layout, and since this is in the root of my views folder, this code will execute before any view inside of my application renders. So I'm setting the layout for all of my views. This means inside of index.cshtml, unless I want to override that default setting, I don't need this line of code that's explicitly setting the view. I can save this, refresh the application, and it's still going to behave the same. We're still going to select that default layout page that we have. If I want to override this default behavior, I could place a viewstart file inside of this home directory, for example, and then the code inside of that viewstart would only be applicable to the views rendering inside of the home folder.